guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D model version of either yourself or of a character or of something else. I'm just going to add in my Roblox avatar here, and I'm just going to paste this prompt. Using the model, create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture in a realistic style in a real environment. The figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. The content on the computer screen is the ZBrush modeling process of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is the style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. The packaging features 2D flat illustrations. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. But this is what it looks like once you have submitted the prompt and the picture. Super cute, looks exactly like my Roblox avatar. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.